Hey everyone, want to extract key insights from PDFs in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to analyze PDF documents, find important information, and save valuable insights step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, upload the PDF file you want to analyze into NotebookLM. Now wait for NotebookLM to process your document and understand the information inside the PDF. Once your PDF is ready, start asking questions about the content. I mean, instead of reading the entire document manually, you can ask NotebookLM to find important sections and summarize key information. Ask specific questions about the PDF, such as the main ideas, important findings, key arguments, important dates, or conclusions. Next, request summaries or structured notes to organize the most valuable information from the document. You can also ask NotebookLM to compare sections, explain complex topics, identify trends, or highlight important details. Review the generated answers and check the source citations to see exactly where the information comes from. Save useful insights, create study notes, or organize your findings into a research document for future use. Finally, use the extracted information for learning, research, reports, presentations, or decision-making. And that's how to extract key insights from PDFs in NotebookLM. By combining your documents with AI-powered analysis, you can quickly understand large PDF files and discover important information more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.